What if everything you thought you knew about your existence was turned on its head? Welcome to a journey of thought-provoking facts that might just make you question your very being. Fact 1. You are stardust. Yes, the atoms that make up your body were once part of stars that exploded billions of years ago. Fact 2. The universe is almost 14 billion years old. When we look into the night sky, we're seeing light from stars that no longer exist. Fact 3. The human brain is the most complex object in the universe. It's made up of over 100 billion neurons, each connected to thousands of others. Fact 4. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. Fact 5. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. Fact 6. Your body is constantly replacing its cells. In 7 to 10 years, you're essentially a completely new person. Fact 7. There are more bacteria in your body than there are human cells. Fact 8. If you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it would stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back, around 70 times. Fact 9. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Fact 10. You're never touching anything. The sensation of touch is just the electromagnetic force of your electrons repelling other electrons. Fact 11. There are more stars in the known universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. Fact 12. If the sun were scaled down to the size of a white blood cell, the Milky Way would be the size of the continental United States. Fact 13. The human eye can distinguish between 10 million different colors. Fact 14. Every year your body replaces 98% of its atoms. Fact 15. The Earth is traveling around the sun at 66,000 miles per hour. Fact 16. Most of the atoms in your body are empty space. Fact 17. The universe has no center, everywhere is the center. Fact 18. The human brain uses 20 watts of power, less than a dim light bulb. Fact 19. The universe is flat, not round or spherical as often depicted. Fact 20. The human body emits more radiation than a banana. Fact 21. There are more ways to shuffle a deck of cards than there are atoms on Earth. Fact 22. The universe is made mostly of dark matter and dark energy, things we can't see or understand yet. Fact 23. The human brain can store 5 times as much information as the entire internet. Fact 24. The universe is probably infinite. Fact 25. The human body contains about 63,000 miles of blood vessels. Fact 26. Time is relative, not absolute. It can speed up or slow down depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. Fact 27. There are more cells in your brain than there are stars in the Milky Way. Fact 28. The universe is silent, sound can't travel in space. Fact 29. Our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. But don't worry, it won't happen for another 4 billion years. Fact 30. The human body is composed of enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. To recap, you are made of stardust. The universe has no center, time is relative, the universe is probably infinite, and your body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. These facts are not just fascinating, they challenge our understanding of existence itself. So, next time when you look into the mirror, remember, you're a part of this extraordinary universe that's full of wonder and mystery. Fact 31. Nothing in the universe can travel faster than light. It's the ultimate speed limit, clocking in at about 299,792 kilometers per second. This speed limit has profound implications on our understanding of space travel and communication. It's not just a barrier but a fundamental constant in Einstein's theory of relativity, tying together space and time. So the next time you flip a switch, remember that light illuminating your room is moving at the fastest speed possible in our universe. Fact 31. Nothing in the universe can travel faster than light. Fact 32. Atoms are mostly empty space. At the heart of an atom we find a tiny nucleus surrounded by a cloud of electrons. This electron cloud, however, occupies a vast area compared to the nucleus, and it's mostly empty. If we could enlarge an atom to the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be like a tiny pea at the center with the electrons whizzing around in the stands. Yet, despite this emptiness, atoms form the solid matter we interact with every day. This paradox challenges our perception of reality and material existence. Fact 32. Atoms are mostly empty space. Fact 33. Gravity is the weakest force in the universe, yet it's the force that shapes the universe. Among the 4 fundamental forces of nature, gravity is the feeblest. It's 10 circumflex 36 times weaker than the strong nuclear force, 10 circumflex 29 times weaker than the electromagnetic force, and 10 circumflex 25 times weaker than the weak nuclear force. Yet despite its relative weakness, gravity is the architect of the universe. It pulls matter together to form stars, planets, and galaxies. It's the force that keeps our feet on the ground and the Earth in orbit around the sun. Gravity, the weakest yet the most influential force, shapes the universe as we know it. Fact 33. Gravity is the weakest force in the universe, yet it's the force that shapes the universe.